So myself first Gautam, looking after the building segment, AP and Telangana region. Our company is mainly into the pumping segment, mainly for the firefighting, HVAC application, plumbing, dewatering, STP, ETP. So we are a German-based company having more than 130 years of experience into the pumping segment.
So what are the products and services?
So we are the manufacturer of centrifugal pumps for different application, depending upon the application like firefighting, HVAC, plumbing, dewatering, STP, ETP, milli. These kind of application. We are associated with IPA for more than 20 years now. So we are one of the sponsor for the IPF for the several events also. So we are very active in IPA events and all. Hyderabad is growing like anything, madam, and Hyderabad response is very good as comparison to the other activities. So this year it was quite fantabulous. Thank you, ma'am.